this tutorial, you will learn about best practices for model training with LetzAI, whether you're training models of people, objects, or styles. To train your model, you can simply click on Train AI Model in the bottom right of the screen. We've already covered the basics of how to use models on LetzAI in our previous tutorial. You can find the link in the description. The foundation of any good AI model, whether you're training a person, object, or style model, is high-quality images. Use images that are at least 1000 times 1000 pixels and that are clear and detailed. Blurry or low-resolution images will negatively impact the quality of your model. Quality over quantity. A smaller selection of high-quality images is better than a bigger selection containing blurry or low-quality images. If you want to create a model of a specific person, for example, yourself, you should avoid pictures with more than one person, or where you're out of focus. We also don't recommend using training images with filters or heavy makeup. Let's take a look at these two pictures. Which one do you think would be better for model training? If you would have picked the left one, you're right. The right one is too edited and could negatively influence your result. You should also aim for a variety of different angles and camera positions in your training data set. Try to use as many neutral images as possible. We don't recommend images with divergent elements, such as exaggerated facial expressions. If you want to train a model of an object or a product, the approach is very similar. If your training images include people along with the product, the model will be biased towards generating your product with the faces of these people. To illustrate this, we've created a model of Scarlett Johansson's bodysuit from Ghost in a Shell. When we include Scarlett's face in the training data, the output will often generate a subject that looks similar to Scarlett. If you want to maintain the flexibility of showing your object with different people, we recommend removing the faces from the training images by simply cropping them like in this example. The third model type are style models. Style models allow you to generate images in a consistent style, like in these examples by Julie Wieland. When creating your style models, the most important thing is to choose training images that have a consistent color palette and visual cohesion. We also recommend using more than 10 style references in your training data that capture the essence of the style you're trying to achieve. Remember, the quality of your dataset determines the quality of your model. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.